What do the thoughts and actions of the great men and women in the history of humanity leave us in our lives? Have you ever found the energy and momentum to face a problem after hearing an enlightened thought? These are the inspired journeys. The stories through the voice of the people of Teoresi. The moments in which our colleagues open their arms to welcome an idea, a positive thought, an inspiration to be an inspiration for us. In this episode, we talk with Matias Rodriguez. Matias's inspiration comes from not one scientist, but a group of scientists that developed the concept of quantum mechanics. Matias shared his interest, especially in Max Planck, Albert Einstein, and Erwin Schrödinger.
My name is Matias. I'm a chemical engineer. I study in the University of Federico Santa Maria. I'm born in a little town in the desert in Chile. And, I came here in Italy because there was my ancestors' birthplace, specifically in Como, Como province. I wanted to learn more about the Italian culture to look for a job because back in my country is more difficult to hire in these times, and I just wanted to have this journey and experience.
Well, thank you for joining us to take this inspired journey as well. Where does your inspiration come from?
I have always an interest about quantum physics, which there are several scientists involved in this three scientist branch. So the first one that was the start of this discipline was Max Planck.
Max Planck, a theoretical physicist from Germany, widely accredited as the originator of quantum theory. Quantum theory revolutionized scientists' understanding of atomic and subatomic processes.
With Max Planck and with Albert Einstein, they discovered the relationship about, for example, the light that can behave as a matter, not also as a wave. Then after this scientists go see the other way around. They, instead of also saying that the waves behaves as a matter, also can behave. The matter can be a wave. In this case, talking about atoms in this world. After that, Louis Broglie makes some discoveries about this, and after that, Schrödinger did the last atomic model called Schrödinger model-based atom. So the electrons are not only just particles; there are waves that are going around the atom. So it's different as you saw in the school, in the first days of the school. The atomic model of Schrödinger is where he explains about the cat. There is a paradox.
Interesting. What is this paradox about?
Well, I will introduce you what this paradox means. There is a box that there is a cat inside. Inside this box, there is something that can kill the cat. But you don't know when this bomb is going to kill the cat. But you will not know if the cat is alive or dead until you open the box. So, that meaning when the observer can alter the system. If you don't see that inside the box, you cannot be sure what's going on inside. So this happens with in an atomic level. That's why he made this example. So now even ourselves, we alter the things that we measure. So for me, it's fascinating. For me, it's inspiring that we learn new things that we don't knew about before, even after school. And also there's some room to learn, some room to work for your stuff that you never use. So for me, it's inspired because you never get bored. There's always will be fun in this life, no?
Is there anything that you are passionate about?
Usually, I have a passion with the music. I learned how to play piano since I was a child, and then also I can play the guitar because I learned back in my days in school, and then I learned how to play drums for playing in a band back in Chile called Ruque with my friends. We play in a place in the Hard Rock Cafe and back in the mall in Santiago, the capital of Chile. For me, that experience was awesome because I like to play and I like to see the reactions of the people. Also, for me, that was fascinating. And I came here in Italy to find my friend yet again, that he has been gone a long time ago. And now we can play again. That's like the old days.
Is there any advice you want to share with those listening?
My advice and suggestion is that you always have to be optimistic. Always you should find some fun in the life, doing things beautiful as playing music or studying physics or doing some art like drawing or investigating things that you have not been learned before. That is my message.
Well, thank you, Matias, for coming on the podcast.
Thank you for having me here to say all these things. So I appreciate everything.
Thanks for listening to us. Are you ready for the next inspired journey?